In Vedic astrology, one of the first and most important concepts to understand is the difference between Rāśi and Bhava. In simple language, Rāśi means zodiac sign and Bhava means house or area of life. Many beginners think that sign and house are the same, but technically they are different. A sign shows the zodiacal nature and quality of a planet, while a house shows the field of life where that planet will give its result. To understand this clearly, first imagine the zodiac as a large circular belt around the Earth. This zodiac is divided into 12 equal signs of 30 degrees each. These 12 signs are Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. These signs are fixed divisions of the zodiac. Aries will always remain Aries, Taurus will always remain Taurus, and every sign has its own lord, element, nature, temperament and strength. Now imagine that you are standing on the Earth under the open sky. Because the Earth is rotating, these zodiac signs appear to rise one after another on the eastern horizon. Just as the sun rises in the east, the zodiac signs also appear to rise from the eastern side. At one moment Aries may be rising, after some time Taurus may rise, then Gemini, and so on. The sign that is rising on the eastern horizon at the exact time and place of birth is called the Ascendant or Lagna. The Ascendant is not a planet. It is a very sensitive point in the horoscope. It shows the entrance point of life. If Leo is rising on the eastern horizon at the time of birth, Leo becomes the Ascendant. If Virgo is rising, Virgo becomes the Ascendant. This rising sign becomes the beginning point of the birth chart. From this Ascendant, the houses or bhavas are counted. The Ascendant becomes the first house. So the Ascendant fixes the structure of the houses in the horoscope. Without the Ascendant, houses cannot be properly arranged. This is the practical difference. Rāśi is a sign in the zodiac, while Bhava is a house in the horoscope. Rāśi exists as a fixed division of the zodiac. Bhava begins from the Ascendant and shows different areas of life. The sign shows the quality, condition and nature of a planet. The house shows where that planet will act in life. For example, Mars in Cancer sign shows that Mars is in a weak or debilitated sign because Cancer does not support the fiery, direct and aggressive nature of Mars. This is the sign condition of Mars. But if the same Mars is placed in the 10th house, then its results will mainly come in career, profession, authority, work pressure, leadership and public action. So Cancer shows the condition of Mars, while the 10th house shows the area of life where Mars will produce results. In the same way, if Jupiter is in Cancer sign, Jupiter becomes exalted. This means Jupiter has strong dignity, wisdom, protection and nourishment. But where will this strong Jupiter give results? That depends on the house. If Jupiter is in the 2nd house, it can support wealth, speech, family and savings. If Jupiter is in the 9th house, it can support fortune, dharma, higher knowledge, father, guru and blessings. If Jupiter is in the 11th house, it can support gains, networks, recognition and fulfillment of desires. The sign gives strength, the house gives the field of manifestation. Therefore, a sign answers the question, how is the planet behaving? A house answers the question, where will the planet give its result? The dignity of a planet is judged from the sign. Exaltation, debilitation, own sign, friendly sign, enemy sign and Mulatrikona are all connected with Rāśi. If Venus is in Pisces, it is exalted. If Saturn is in Libra, it is exalted. These strengths come from the sign, not from the house. The practical events of life are judged from the Bhava. The first house shows self, body, health and personality. The 2nd house shows family, speech, food habits and accumulated wealth. The 3rd house shows effort, courage, communication and siblings. The 4th house shows mother, home, property, vehicles and inner peace. The 5th house shows intelligence, education, children, mantra, creativity and past life merit. The sixth house shows disease, debt, enemies, service and competition. The seventh house shows marriage, spouse, partnership and public dealings. The eighth house shows longevity, sudden events, secrets, inheritance and transformation. The ninth house shows fortune, father, guru, dharma and higher learning. The 10th house shows career, karma, status and authority. The 11th house shows gains, income, networks and fulfillment of desires. The 12th house shows expenses, foreign lands, sleep, isolation, losses, moksha and spiritual retreat. So when a planet is placed in a sign, we understand its quality. When the same planet is placed in a house, we understand the life area affected by it. Both must be read together. If we read only the sign, we may understand the nature of the planet but not the area of result. If we read only the house, we may understand the area of life but not the strength or weakness of the planet. In many basic birth charts, especially when the whole sign system is used, sign and house may look the same. For example, if Leo rises as ascendant, Leo becomes the first house, Virgo becomes the second house, Libra becomes the third house, and so on. Leo is a sign. The first house is a Bhava. Leo gives solar, royal, fixed and fiery qualities. The first house gives results related to body, personality, identity and life direction. This difference becomes more visible in the Bhava Chalit chart. In Bhava Chalit, a planet may remain in the same sign but may shift to another house. Like in this chart, Saturn, Venus and Ketu is shifted. Mars, Jupiter and Mercury also shifted to another Bhava. This does not change the sign of the planet. Here Mercury is in Cancer sign, Mercury remains in Cancer. Its sign dignity, nakshatra, dispositor and zodiacal position do not change. But if in Bhava Chalit Mercury moves from the 9th house to the 8th house, then Mercury's Virgo quality remains, but its practical result becomes more connected with 8th house matters such as longevity, obstructions, sharing resources etc. This is a very important rule. The sign of a planet does not change because of the Bhava chart. The planet's sign is decided by its actual zodiacal position. Bhava only refines the field of result. Similarly, the lordship of a planet is judged from the signs counted from the ascendant. Bhava Chalit does not change the sign lordship. It only helps in understanding where the result may manifest more practically. For example, suppose Saturn is in Aquarius sign and placed in the 6th house. Aquarius gives Saturn strength because Aquarius is Saturn's own sign. The 6th house connects Saturn with service, daily work, competition, debts, disease, disputes and disciplined effort. This can give the ability to handle responsibility, defeat competitors, work in structured systems and rise through service. But it may also give heavy workload, chronic duties, delayed health recovery or karmic struggle in employment. Here Aquarius tells us Saturn is strong, the 6th house tells us where Saturn will act. Another example, Moon is in Scorpio sign and placed in the 9th house. Moon in Scorpio is debilitated, so the mind may become emotionally intense, private, suspicious or internally unsettled. But the 9th house connects this moon with father, guru, dharma, higher education, long-distance travel and fortune. So the person may experience emotional ups and downs through belief system, father, teachers, spiritual faith or higher learning. Scorpio shows the condition of the moon, the 9th house shows the field where that condition expresses. This is why accurate astrology never reads only one factor. First, see the sign to understand the planet's nature and strength. Then see the house to understand the area of life. Then see lordship, nakshatra, aspects, conjunctions, dispositor, divisional charts, dasha and transit. Only then the prediction becomes complete. In final understanding, Rāśi shows the quality, dignity and zodiacal strength of the planet. Bhava shows the area of life, event and practical manifestation. Rāśi is the nature. Bhava is the field. Rāśi shows how the planet behaves. Bhava shows where the planet gives results. So, the ascendant is the starting point of houses, the signs are fixed divisions of the zodiac, and the bhavas are the life departments created from the ascendant. A serious astrologer must understand both clearly, because the sign gives the condition of the planet, but the house gives the practical experience of life. If you have any questions related to this, write it in comment box. Like, subscribe and share this knowledge with other interested beginners of astrology.